Venice Home Collection is a brand with more than 2 decades of experience in ultra-luxury bespoke linens. Since its establishment in 1996, the mission has been to provide the finest product for its valued customers who often demand something more exclusive and out of the ordinary. Over the years, Venice Home Collection has grown to become a leading bespoke brand in luxury linen, creating unparalleled collection, setting up superb tables and beds, realizing the finest embroidery and linens. Crafting unique products and decorating super yacht, private jets, 7-star hotel, and a royal palace of VVIP clients all over the world. A modern company with its history deeply rooted in the past splendid Venetian tradition of etiquette and taste, splendor and fortune, although renewed. In Italy, in a small factory that still manages every stage of production, from cutting to embroidery and ironing to the final packaging, we create bespoke linen for customers who understand that hosting guests at a table or in a bed of this nature provides a truly one-of-a-kind experience.